Hey you, do you want to check out the latest Galaxy on your phone?
That's possible?
Yep, introducing Try Galaxy app. Simply scan the QR and download the app to start the experience right away. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Let's start with Galaxy AI. Here's Circle to search.
Incredible!
Right? This is just the beginning. Here's Live Translate.
Hola, soy Sara, tu pasajera de antes.
That's so cool!
Glad to hear that. There are even more things to enjoy.
So cute!
We can't stop now. Get ready for this. Just follow me and try it out like this.
It looks amazing!
Now it's over to you. There are so many Galaxy experiences waiting for you. Enjoy Try Galaxy whenever, wherever. Try the latest Galaxy on your phone.